Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you 10 insanely realistic details in Red Dead Redemption 2. Number 1. Fish use waterfalls to travel, but they don't always survive. Number 2. Arthur, unlike John, keeps both eyes open when aiming. Number 3. The missable encounters in Saint's Hotel.
Can I help you, sir?
No. Wrong room.
No harm done. Join me. I'm a Cheloni. Have you read our book?
No, I was just leaving.
Oh, get the hell out of here, will you?
Sorry. Wrong room.
Number 4. The difference between Arthur and John's Deadeye ability.
Can't even follow through.
¿Cuál es tu problema?
You cocksucking bastard!
Number 5. The arrival and disappearance of Cain.
Where did he come from?
I don't know. He just wandered in. Hi, my friend. Hi.
Well, then he's ours, I guess. For now.
Aww. That's so great. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Aww. What should we call him?
Well, he's a wanderer. He probably did something bad. Cain. His name is Cain.
Okay. Hey, Cain. Whoa. What did Cain do?
A real bad thing. So he never stopped wandering.
Arthur, a dog. A dog.
Hey, kid. The dog is gone. You can be quiet now.
He'll come back. Cain! Cain!
Come here. Come here, Jack. The dog ain't coming back. Now get lost!
What the hell did you do to the dog?
Must have run away, dumb mutt.
You bastard.
Number 6. How the camp reacts to you scolding Cain.
Oh, get out of here!
That dog ain't done nothing to you.
Get out of here!
Oh, stop that, Arthur. Poor animal.
Oh, get out of here!
Hey, what'd the dog do to you?
Get out of here!
That ain't right, Arthur. Leave that dog be.
Mangy mutt!
Leave that dog alone.
Get out of here! Hey, leave Cain alone. Get out of here!
Hey, leave that dog alone.
Oh, get out of here!
Hey, leave the dog alone.
You really are a very charming man, aren't you?
Stupid mutt.
Will you leave that dog alone?
Number 7. The secret cutscenes in Magicians for Sport.
Yeah.
Sort of. Have you seen Formal? We're
Strange.
we're looking for our
Sure.
friend.
Formal? Nah.
He uses a cane. Looks a lot like this one.
All right, you two. Where the hell is he? You both better get out of here. Come here.
What the hell did you do that for, Arthur?
Jeb! No. Wait. Now, where were we? Where's my friend, buddy? Come on, speak! Hey! No! No, he's in a cabin! Down by Braithwaite Manor, near the cornfield. Thank you. Charles, come on.
You want everyone to know we're coming?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Have you seen him? We're looking for our friend.
I don't think he's here.
Nah, you seen a strange sort of feller. Sort of formal.
Strange, sure. Formal? Nah.
He uses a cane. Looks a lot like this one.
All right, you two. Where the hell is he?
You better both get out of here.
Number 8. Empty shell casings can be seen in a revolver cylinder. Number 9. People actually react to corpse carrying and bloodied clothes.
Jesus, is that a corpse?
Shut up. You're next.
Oh, good. Another gum flapper.
Listen, I don't like you.
Can you just leave me alone?
I don't like you one little bit.
Shit! But don't shoot!
Yeah, get out of here!
You don't say. You better have found him like that.
It's best you stay out of this.
Hey, get moving.
I'll go to hell.
Come on.
Am I going to find out where that blood came from next time I check in at the station house?
What business is it of yours? Hey there, partner. You know,
What are you doing covered in blood?
now look me in the eye. You. Hello.
Number 10. John can follow the Chelonians to safety.
Sure. Why not?
The world is coming to an end. I am so happy. A new master has arrived and he is leading those who know to safety. I plan on joining him myself. Oh, he's in the hills, near Granite Pass. It's not too late. I've been trying to warn everyone, but no one will listen.
Friend?
Follow me, sir. Follow me. Together, we can be safe. Follow me. With this shell, I am safe from all things. We shall not be defeated. We shall be saved. Follow me and be saved. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me to Chelonia!
Chelonia!
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!